If you feel broke every month, no matter how much you earn, your habits are the real problem. First, spending before saving. Most people pay bills, spend freely, then save whatever is left. There is never anything left. Fix this by automating a savings transfer the same day your paycheck lands. Second, ignoring small daily purchases. That $5 coffee feels harmless, but 20 of them a month is $100 vanishing silently. Track every purchase for just 2 weeks and the waste becomes obvious. Third, carrying a credit card balance. Paying only the minimum means you are funding your bank, not your future. Pay the full balance monthly or stop using the card entirely. These 3 shifts will not make you rich overnight, but they will stop the slow financial leak draining your account every single month. Which habit hits closest to home? Comment below, like, and subscribe.